Hey guys, it's JaaackJack and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, as you can tell by the title and the echo, we are doing an empty apartment tour. This was quite a different experience for both Johnny and I because everything with COVID, we weren't able to tour any units, so this was all like virtual and we just kind of had to trust our instincts on this spot. So this is actually my very first time seeing it, so we're getting a tour together at the same time. We are now in a 2-bedroom apartment and we're on the first level, which is the main reason why we needed to move, because where we were previously at, we were on the 2nd floor, which worked out in the beginning, but it got harder and harder to carry Zoe up and down the stairs. So we were like, you know what, I can't do it anymore. We need to find an apartment on the 1st floor. And so we have been searching for months and months and months. And because of COVID, it's just made everything so tricky, and definitely did not enjoy the search this time around, and definitely did not enjoy blind signing for a lease and not seeing the unit yet. Definitely sketchy, but nonetheless, we are here in the new apartment, so let me go ahead and show you it. All right, here is the front door. So right when you walk in, you are greeted with the living room space. Right here, there's a fireplace, big windows. Next to the front door, we have a little coat closet. Looks like that, pretty standard. And here's what the living room space looks like from this side. So obviously the TV would go right here, and then we'd have the couch right over here. And likely this little corner will be Zoe's spot with her bed. I know she's gonna love being next to the window, but she'll probably be outside a lot because she loves to sunbathe. I'm not gonna go out because I don't wanna show too much of like what's on this side, but here's our little patio outside. So it's just a tiny little patio, nothing too crazy. There's the water heater in there. You could maybe use a little bit of that for some storage, but it's mainly just the water heater in there. So we want to get some furniture out here for the patio, but definitely want to keep this pocket of sunshine just for Zoe. So next to the front door would be the dining room area. So this is where our table would go, nice big window right here. I think some shelves on the back, maybe like my plants. I think that'd be a cool spot to put it. And then we go over here to the kitchen. I would actually love to get 2 like small skinny bar stools. Kind of use this as like a little breakfast counter. I think that'd be cool. Here is the kitchen. It's a decent sized kitchen, definitely bigger than our last one, so that's nice. There's definitely more counter space here. We have a dishwasher. We have storage cabinets up there. One thing I'm not crazy about is the fact that the oven is an electric oven. Those are like my least favorite. I hate cooking with these, but we'll make do. It's not the end of the world. Here is our fridge, just standard basic fridge and freezer. Nothing fancy there. And then over here we have little full-size washer and dryer. I love the shelving up there, and there is some space here, so maybe I can like put Zoe's dog food right here in this corner. And maybe I can even fit our broom, mop, and vacuum right there. That would be ideal, but we'll see. So from the kitchen, this is what you see, the living room and kitchen area together. So next to the living room, we'll go ahead and walk down into the hallway here. So here's the hallway. We've got guest bathroom, guest bedroom, which will be my office, and then master. So first I'll show you my office. I'm really excited. I've never had an office before, so this will be my first time having an office. We have the mirrored closet doors here, and then giant window that goes into the patio as well. I don't think I'll be opening that much often, so I may even like put a desk against this area. I don't know. I'm not quite sure how I'm gonna set this up yet. Honestly, it's a fairly small room because ideally I would have loved to have my office, my vanity, a day bed, and then my like clothing rack filming area. And then also I have to store our bikes here, so I think I'm just gonna put them against like right here. I'm just kind of out of the way, but I definitely won't be able to fit a day bed in here with like my desk and filming area, so that's a little bit of a bummer. And I forgot to mention, you probably already noticed, there's carpet in the rooms, but then in like the living space, it has like this hardwood flooring, which is perfect for little Zosie. I don't think I'll be doing much filming in the bathrooms because it has a really loud fan, but here is the guest bathroom. So if we ever have people staying over, and also this is going to be Zoe's bathroom, so all the baths that she get will happen here. So Zoe's bathroom. We have central AC, oh my gosh, best thing ever. I turned it on immediately when I got in here. I'm so happy to have central AC again. And then lastly, we moved to the master bedroom, which feels really dark, to be honest, so we're gonna have to get some lighting in here. It is a good sized bedroom though. We plan to put the bed like this way and then 2 matching nightstands, and I think that'll kind of take up that wall. And then if we have room, which I'm sure we'll have room, we'd like to put like a dresser here. So even though we have this giant window in the master bedroom, it's still very dark in here because there's like trees and bushes outside covering the sunlight. But here's the bedroom. It's pretty big, to be honest. And then when we go this way, we're going towards the bathroom, but we have 2 separate closets, which is gonna be so awesome. Me and Johnny will both have our own closets. Oh, there's more storage racks, or there's more like built-in racks here. This one does not have as many, but we'll make it work. So we've got 2 closets here. Super stoked about that. And then also the mirrors. I love the mirrors. And then we have the vanity sink area here with a little bit of storage. And then lastly, the master bathroom, which is the same as the other one. It's small, nothing fancy, and there's a loud fan. Here's what the master bedroom looks like later on in the day. So much brighter. It's like day and night, so that's funny. So it's gonna be sunnier in here later on in the day, but early on in the day, this is like completely shadowed. That is basically it for the tour. It's a 2-bedroom, so it is bigger, but it still feels like kind of small, to be honest. I think looking at it like virtually on like online, which is the only thing we did, it made it seem bigger. So now seeing it in person, it just feels a lot smaller than what I was expecting. But nonetheless, this is a huge blessing for Johnny and I, and we are so excited to be living here and just getting settled in. Like, I can't wait to get settled in, find my rhythm, my routine, and my balance. Like, I'm so excited. I can't wait for that. So today we're moving everything over in here so it won't be empty for much longer, and then we'll bring Zoe over, and I'm hoping because all of our furniture and stuff will be here, Zoe will adjust a lot quicker to the new apartment. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video because I've got a lot of moving to do. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I can't wait to make more content here in our new apartment, and I will see you guys next time.